Last time, we left Tammy sitting at her desk uncertain about what to do next and where to start. Like Tammy, all of us are expected to get results, but it's a challenge to find time to consider different and better ways of doing things. An important practice of Edison leaders is to focus on results, process, and relationship. We will achieve better, more consistent results by balancing these three areas. Relationship is an important component of OpEx. When we reach out to coworkers to collaborate, it helps us look at the big picture, see things from a different perspective, and find practical ways to work smarter. This is the foundation for an OpEx mindset. Miguel comes from a high-performing department that thinks with an OpEx mindset. Improvement is everyone's job. His team is known for their creative solutions and for completing projects on time and under budget. They have been recognized with positive customer feedback and continue to exceed expectations. His team demonstrates Edison's commitment to be great in everything we do. Tammy is curious to learn more about Miguel's latest idea and wonders how he is able to think of these things and empower his team. To help Tammy better understand the importance of operational and service excellence, Miguel shares this example. Look around your house. Pretty much everything that you own and use operates on electricity. We've come to depend on electric power for many of our day-to-day activities. But it wasn't always this way. It took someone like Thomas Edison and others to see through a different lens and recognize that electricity could be harnessed in so many different ways that benefits us today. One of the ways you can begin to develop an OpEx mindset is to start looking at your work through a different lens, an OpEx lens. If you can do this, it will help you begin to identify inefficiencies in the workplace, and as a result, it will provide opportunities to become better at problem solving, building relationships, and leadership skills. So instead of focusing on what we currently do, the status quo, we must shift our thinking to how we can add value for the customer and to our business, also known as the OpEx mindset. When we have an OpEx mindset, we have the information and authority we need to solve problems affecting the business in which we work. This is empowering and counter to what we may have experienced in our culture in the past. Today, our leaders model behaviors that create a safe environment for participation and teamwork. Employees want to participate in decisions that affect their daily work. If we all adopt this way of thinking, this mindset will increase value for our customers, shareholders, and the company. But how do we develop an OpEx mindset? To do this, we need to look through an OpEx lens, see the big picture, and respectfully challenge the old way of doing things. Look forward toward the end result and how it helps our customers. Find ways to make small improvements within our control. Eliminate obstacles and focus energy to work smarter and do our best. And, as a leader modeling the 7 practices of Edison leadership, encourage and empower your people by sharing an inspiring vision so that everyone feels they're working toward the same goal, involving them in decisions and create a sense of belonging, creating a safe environment where they can express their opinions, encouraging them to think outside the box, seizing the moment to celebrate small successes. We all need to commit to helping create a culture of excellence, to be great in everything we do. Now let's think about the role innovation plays in meeting customer expectations and delivering high value. Oftentimes, we get comfortable with a routine way of doing things because that's the way we've always done it. OpEx challenges us to think beyond those boundaries and look at everything we do with fresh eyes to understand how we can make it better. While it's not easy to change our perspective, it is necessary. Without change, we can't progress, we can't compete, and we can't sustain a culture of excellence. Understand that OpEx is not a quick fix. It takes effort from the team and continued focus to make improvements stick. So how's this done? Stay tuned for the next video on our journey, the OpEx Continuous Improvement Cycle.